In this video, we're going to dive into how to use Browse AI for subscription revenue analytics, a game changer for anyone in the digital space who wants to unlock more insights from their data. Stay tuned because I'll show you exactly how you can use Browse AI to track subscription-based businesses and boost your revenue analysis like never before. Browse AI is a powerful web scraping and automation tool that can help you track subscription revenue, and the best part, it's designed to be user-friendly, even if you've never used web scraping before. Whether you're a marketer, a data analyst, or an entrepreneur, understanding how your subscription revenue is performing is crucial. And Browse AI allows you to do that in minutes. First, let's talk about setting up Browse AI. It's simple. Just create a new robot to scrape the data you need. For subscription revenue analytics, this could be pricing data from competitors, subscription details from your own services, or even tracking product launches and price changes. You don't need to worry about any coding. Browse AI has a point-and-click interface, which means you can set up custom scraping tasks in no time. Once you have your robot set up, Browse AI collects and organizes the data for you. You can monitor the performance of different subscription plans, identify pricing trends, and track revenue changes over time. This is incredibly valuable for refining your pricing strategies or finding new revenue opportunities that weren't obvious before. What really sets Browse AI apart is its flexibility. Let's say you're looking at a competitor's subscription model. You can use Browse AI to scrape their pricing structure, track any updates, and analyze how that affects your own pricing strategy. Combine this with your own data, and you can start making data-driven decisions that boost your revenue. Another benefit of Browse AI for subscription revenue analytics is automation. You can set your robots to scrape data at regular intervals, daily, weekly, or even monthly, so you're always up to date. Instead of manually pulling data from various sources, Browse AI does it automatically, saving you tons of time. You can get back to analyzing the data and taking action based on insights, rather than spending time on tedious tasks. One of the most powerful features of Browse AI is its ability to integrate with other tools. Whether you're using Excel, Google Sheets, or any other analytics software, you can export the scraped data directly into those platforms for further analysis. This makes it easy to combine the web scraped data with your other business intelligence tools to get a complete picture of your subscription revenue. Now, if you're ready to try this out for yourself, here's the best part. Browse AI offers a completely free version to get started, and if you click the link in the description, you'll get access to an exclusive extended free trial. This means you can jump in and start scraping data without any risk. If you're serious about growing your subscription revenue, this is an offer you don't want to miss. To wrap up, Browse AI is an incredible tool for subscription revenue analytics. Whether you're tracking your own revenue, analyzing competitors, or automating your data collection, Browse AI offers the features you need to make smarter decisions faster. Click the link below to get started with your exclusive free trial today and take your subscription revenue analysis to the next level.